are Pickleback Pickles. Well, Sky, all you're gonna do is what? What are you gonna do? Watch what I do, homeboy. I open my pickles, right? Now, watch what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna drain out my pickle brine or pickle juice or pickle, soda, whatever you wanna call it. Different cultures call stuff different things. Who am I to judge? If you don't call this soda, that's fine. Okay? Just tell me which culture you're from so I'll never visit. All right? So now we have our pickles. And if you watch the show long enough, you know your boy don't do pickles, okay? Just don't grade my system. All right? I don't get sick or anything. I just don't like them. And now we have here some Jamesons, okay? Touch of Irish. And so now we can pour this directly in. You see that? Now what we're gonna do, trust me, these are the best pickles you know what? I don't like pickles, but these kind of pickles, I'll try. Now I can seal this bad boy up, right? And now I put this in the fridge to marinate, to ferment, to grow together, to metastasize, whatever. Okay, I'm just shooting words. So I put this in the fridge, okay? And you can leave it in here like a day or two. Leave it a couple of days, let it really soak in, seep in, so you could really taste it, all right? Hey guys, want some pickles for your party? Don't tell them, okay? Just have them put them on the burger. Ooh, this hamburger's delicious. What is it? Is it the pickles? Yeah, it is. And there you have it! Pickleback Pickles! And here's the best part. When you're done eating these out of the jar, you don't throw this away. You could still sip this on the rocks, all you pickle lovers, okay? Not my thing, but it's your thing, and it's delicious. And guys, you've seen us do lots of stuff with pickles because you grab one of these boys here and you just slip off the bottom so it could stand up. Stand up like that. Cut off the top. Scoop out the middle. Pour some Jamesons in. You just walk around the party nibbling. Okay, wow, he's so healthy. Is he vegan? Kind of. You see? They don't know the Jamesons in there. And you're good to go. And then you could also take a pickle, hollow out the middle again, and mix your Jamesons with gelatin to have these nice jello shot pickles, okay? Trust me, I'm getting nauseous even talking about this because pickles are, even the scent of that freaks me out. You wanna break up with me? Just give me a pickle, okay? As a sign. Anyway, okay, drink responsibly or eat responsibly. Drink and eat responsibly, okay? And remember, never drink and drive. Share some of this with your friends. Later, I got my pickles ready to go. Man, I have a voice on me. Later.